Sure, here's a short cartoon story for you. The Adventures of Benny the Brave Bunny. In a peaceful forest nestled between two tall mountains, there lived a clever bunny named Benny. Benny wasn't like the other bunnies who spent their days nibbling on carrots and hopping around. Benny loved solving problems and helping others. One sunny morning, Benny's best friend, Mia the squirrel, came running to him in a panic. Benny, Benny, my acorn stash is missing, she squeaked. I buried it under the big oak tree, but it's gone. Benny twitched his nose. Don't worry, Mia. Let's solve this mystery. With his magnifying glass, a gift from his grandpa, Benny examined the ground near the oak tree. He found a trail of tiny footprints leading away from the tree. These aren't squirrel footprints, Benny said thoughtfully. Let's follow them. Mia and Benny followed the trail deeper into the forest. Along the way, they met Gary the hedgehog, who was carrying a basket of berries. Have you seen anyone?